guys dare me to eat one of these? Huh? Let's get Lily a snack. Ah! The stalks are so hard to cut. Let's see if Lily will eat this. Lillian! I got you a corn dog. It's nature's corn dog. I will give you $20 if you take one bite out of it. Like, You don't eat the stick. You just take a bite out of the side. Just a little nibble. It's nature's corn dog on a stick. Now remember.
It looks like it's got spider webs on it.
Well, don't bite that part.
Well, it's nature. Take a nibble out of it.
Why is it fuzzy?
It's a corn dog.
Just do it.
Try a bite. It's worth 20
You swear
bucks.
I'm getting 20 bucks out of this?
I will pay you 20 bucks.
Okay.
Just swallow
Fuzzy.
it. Just take a bite and spit it out. Whoa!
That's funny.
Wasn't as cool as you do.
I was gonna say.
My turn. All right, I guess it does work. Yuck. So, I filled the bin of peat moss. Or at least that's what I think is peat moss.